Hi, I'm Liz Need, and this is another segment of the Inspired Vision series. If you haven't gathered from watching the other videos or reading my blogs, or maybe you've heard me on stage, I was quite a mess for quite some time. I could share with you some pretty sad stories of violating relationships and ruining credit and just breaking contracts to myself over and over again. And so part of my new living, my new state of being, is that I want to keep my word to myself, and I also want to be over it. It's like I want to kick that demon's butt. I want to remove myself from who I was and be this new creature. And I am new. I am forgiven, and I am whole, and I am living in the worthiness that God designed for me. But I don't think that I will ever be over it. I want to think that, you know, you pay your bill on time for 12 months, that means that finally you're in a new habit and you're going to pay your bill on time forever. But you know what? Maybe I'll never be over it, because there's always the right circumstance that might tempt me to be that person again. Or maybe I think I'm never going to lie again, or I'm never going to hurt people the way that I did. But again, under the right circumstances, I have those abilities. The reality is that I am not a new person. I am just Liz, and I have been the same person since I took my first breath, as I'm taking my breaths just now in my 43rd year of life. And I can't deny that I am that person. That person that broke all those promises is me, and teaches me and informs me about life. That person has value because it helps me connect to you. It connects me to people who are hurting and ashamed. And when I try to deny who I am, because I want to be this new person, I want to cut off my life at age 35 when these changes really began to happen, and pretend like that person doesn't exist, I actually weaken myself, and the likelihood of going back and being that person again with those bad habits becomes higher. I don't need to live in fear that I'm going to fall again. I just need to appreciate myself as a whole person, that all the things that I've done and all the things that I've thought are me, undeniably. So maybe you're in that situation where you want to officially be over it. You want to be this person that in your second marriage is really good at being married. Or maybe now that you're thin, you are no longer that person who was a glutton and who was lazy, or maybe just uninformed. Maybe as a parent, you want to always be this person who's calm and peaceful, and you never want to be that person who lost his temper and said the wrong thing. Let me tell you, you are still that person. That person is you. And every experience you have exists. So embrace who you are, learn the lessons, remind yourself of those lessons that you had, remind yourself of the new lessons, enjoy and be grateful for the new behavior that you have, and realize you never want to get over it. You always want to remember, and you always want to embrace everything that you are, because that's the quickest way to peace and joy in your life today.